Hi friends, this video is about Isha Foundation. Distance between Bangalore to Coimbatore is 362.9 kilometers. It will take 6 hours 37 minutes. Adiyogi was inaugurated on 24th February 2017 by the PM Modi sir on the occasion of Mahashivratri. He also launched a book Adiyogi. The statue is made of steel. Width is 548, height is 34 meters, dedicated to Lord Shiva as Adiyogi, designer Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev. Adiyogi is located at the Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Its height is 112 feet, symbolizes 112 possibilities to attain the moksha, liberation, that are mentioned in yogic cultural and also the 112 chakras in human system. A linga called Yogeshwar linga was consecrated and placed in front of the statue. There is no entry fee. Only for vehicle parking charges is applicable. Timings is 6 am in the morning to 8 pm, but Dhyana Linga has timings. Also, a music concert is offered in front of Adiyogi Shiva statue from 6:30 to 11:30 pm, followed by the distribution of prasad. A linga called Yogeshwar linga was consecrated and placed in front of the Adiyogi statue. There are many cute small snake symbols like this. This mala is made with Rudraksha. Adiyogi Divya Darshan is a 3D laser show narrating story of Adiyogi and how the science of yoga was given to human beings. It was inaugurated by President Ramnath Kovind on Mahashivratri in 2019. It is 14-minute light and sound show projected upon the Adiyogi statue. In 2020, it won the Mondo, EMEA and APAC Award for Technology in Entertainment in the House of Worship category. Adiyogi Divya Darshan will be happening daily at 7 pm IST. Once we had completed the darshan of Adiyogi, we started to Dhyanalinga temple, which is nearly 1 kilometer. We can go by walk, bus and bullock cart. But we went by bullock cart. These are speakers where we can hear Omkaranada. Once we reach the temple premises, we can't carry mobiles, cameras and handbags. We have free deposit lockers. Inside we can see Linga Bhairavi, Dhyana Linga, Nandi, Trimurti, Chandrakund and Suryakund. This is the entrance of Linga Bhairavi, Dhyana Linga, Nandi, Trimurti, Chandrakund and Suryakund. Here we have food stalls. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.